considering IVF treatment, it can be a very difficult and complex decision to figure out how you're going to fund IVF treatments. And so in this video, we'll kind of be talking through those different opportunities to fund IVF treatment overall. So the first thing is insurance. Now we are seeing a lot more insurance companies that are more willing to truly contribute to the cost of IVF treatments. Now, that being said, you do want to verify with your provider what the coverage is that they will offer, because this does vary widely depending on your insurance company and what their benefits are. Some will only provide for a set amount or maximum amount of dollars that they'll provide for IVF treatment. Some will only do a set amount of rounds of treatment, different sort of variables there. You also want to make sure that medications are covered with IVF, because that is a different sector that they have as well within their treatment plans. So you want to make sure that those are being accommodated for separately as well with your insurance provider. So really getting on the phone with them and verifying overall what are those, benefits that you have in your plan altogether. Then, if there is any sort of additional costs that you will need to take on as well as a family, then it'll start looking at, okay, should you do a loan? So there are a lot of great loans out there for family futures. And there is one specifically called the Family Future Loan or Future Family Loan. And so you can look out there for those types of loans. They're more than just future family, but there are great opportunities out there to receive those that have competitive interest rates, have great, competitive areas where they can give you the true funding in order to make your family possible as you're going through this treatment and give you fair rates there. There are also opportunities with different nonprofits. So it's making sure, too, that there are scholarships and grants that you could qualify for depending on specific eligibility requirements, but really, looking into and maybe doing some due diligence there, figuring out, are there any scholarships or grants for local nonprofits in your area, or even on the national level as well, that you could be looking into that could also cover the cost of this treatment. So there are a lot of opportunities out there to potentially get this covered. We are seeing even more legalization come into effect for mandating that insurance companies do provide for IVF coverage. But of course, that's still, in the preliminary stages of being a full mandate across the United States. So in the meantime, looking at these different avenues can help you determine, exactly what the best avenue is for you and your family.